In this video, we're comparing Jasper AI and Copy.ai, two of the most popular AI writing tools in 2025. If you're thinking about using AI to write faster and better, you'll want to see which one actually delivers. Let's jump right in. First up, Jasper AI. It's designed for businesses, marketers, and creators who want long-form, high-quality content. Jasper uses powerful templates for blogs, ads, emails, and social media, and integrates with tools like Surfer SEO and Grammarly. It's great for teams and professionals who need consistent tone and brand voice. As for Copy.ai, on the other hand, focuses on speed and simplicity. It's perfect for quick copy, like social media captions, ad headlines, and short blog sections. It's super beginner-friendly and doesn't require much setup. Now let's compare them side by side. Ease of use. Copy.ai wins. It's clean, fast, and ready out of the box. Depth and control. Jasper takes this one. More templates, tone settings, and advanced tools. Output quality. Jasper tends to write longer, more polished pieces. Copy.ai is better for short, punchy content. Collaboration. Jasper supports team accounts and brand guidelines. Copy.ai is more personal and lightweight. Pricing. Copy.ai is cheaper for individuals. Jasper can get pricey but offers pro-level features. So here's the bottom line. If you're a solo creator or want quick, simple content, Copy.ai is perfect. If you're running a business, managing clients, or need SEO-focused, long-form writing, Jasper AI is the better investment. Both tools can boost your writing productivity. It just depends on your workflow. Check the links below to try them out for yourself, and if this video helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.